Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, students. Good evening. First to attend DSP Tanishka.
Sir, me, Joanna submitted our max project, sir.
Good, Adya. Submitted. What about Mariana?
Sir, she didn't submit, sir. Mariana and Sholin was absent, sir.
Yeah, was Mariana present?
Yes, sir. She didn't complete, so she didn't submit, sir.
Didn't complete. She told she finished everything.
Sir, last sum she did not get it, sir.
You should have helped, right?
Sir, I told her like this square has all equal sides, and then you just have to cut the arc of 3.8 centimeters and you have to construct. She's like, that and all I know. I don't know how to write the wording, sir.
Okay, fine. She's there online. Is Mariana online?
Sir.
Yeah, good evening, Mariana. Why you didn't submit? Max.
So they told tomorrow is the last day submit. You all can submit
Yes,
tomorrow.
she can submit tomorrow also.
No, but you have done, right? What will you do with the project? Once you've done, you have to submit. Yesterday
No,
you
so
told you
that
completed.
steps I didn't write. That's why I didn't submit.
Adi helped you, right? Adi told you how to write steps.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine, Adia. Do it. Mariana, do it tomorrow. Submit tomorrow. If you all delay, they'll reduce marks.
So I don't think so. They'll reduce if you submit tomorrow.
You won't think so, Mariana. If they reduce, then we'll start. Who is have to attend is Akansha online. Akansha, Jana, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Was Lemula present today?
So yes, so and today I asked ma'am when will she start revising. So ma'am told that next week we'll have a test. So,
Next week.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
You
how
said
many
we
questions
got this Friday, so
this Friday?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So ma'am completed cube and cube roots and she started percentage, sir.
so ma'am completed percent and percentage.
Okay. And 10% is also done. Any new chapter? Other
So
section? Yes, the
tomorrow
yes.
ma'am is starting since. So.
That's. Yeah, tell me the issue.
Sir, I sent you the programming.
Yeah, I checked. Okay, I'll tell you all in the last.
Sorry, sir, I had to go to the doctor.
Fine, Lamila. You have to start. Even percentage, for now we'll stop that, students. Percentage chapter. So how many chapters will be left? Sets and identities, right? Yeah, we'll do it later. Sets and identities later. We'll start with revision. How many days left? Today is 28th, 29, 30, 1.
They actually might postpone the exams, sir.
Is it
Yes, sir, because 10 days before exam only we are having sports practice, sir.
10 days before? Yeah, then they might postpone for one week or 10 days. Fine, we'll start with revision because sets is easy. Last 3 or 4 days you can complete sets and identities. Fine, cube and cube. Which one shall we start? Revision. You'll remember cube.
So can you do so special types of quadrilateral?
Special type. Oh, if not, we'll start from exponents.
So okay, so
All of you, you'll remember exponents.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes, so
Okay, first exponents. We'll finish easier ones. Exponents, then understanding shapes. After
Sir,
that,
rational numbers is there, no?
yeah, you'll have rational numbers. Rational number is easy, Mariana. Okay, you'll do that. Revise it by yourself. If not open rational numbers, we'll just go through one or two questions.
They cancel factorization and
Yeah, they've given rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers, we'll do it later. First, we'll start with exponents. Which chapter is that? Second, right? Open exponents, uh, page 28. Okay, page 31. Open page 31. Yeah, Akansha, send me a pic of 31, Akansha.
yes, sir. 31,
2A.
sir.
Yeah, page number 30. Just 2A.
Okay, sir.
First exponents, then after exponents, we'll revise the chapter. Rational numbers. Rational numbers, then understanding shapes. You'll have understanding shapes for exam, right? For test. Understanding shapes.
oh yes, so
Yes, sir.
Every day exponents. One chapter and one construction question. One chapter and one construction. Then special types of quadrilaterals, identities is cancelled.
So for constructions, they'll change the values and numbers.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, same values, Mariana. Okay, put the heading as revision, exponents.
Yes.
Okay, how many laws do we have in exponents? Let me see how many of you all can recollect.
so
Laws.
three.
Three laws.
3 laws. Okay, first law. Write revision or else formulas are written. Yeah, first 2 pages, leave it only for revisions. This one, formula students. Write heading as revision exponents and leave one entire page, front and back. Okay, front and back for revision. First formula, just write the heading as formulas. What's the first formula?
So can you repeat what you said? So your voice was breaking.
Write revision and leave one entire page for formulas, Akansha.
Okay.
One page, front and back, just for formulas. Okay, what's the first formula?
So
Product.
Product law.
product was.
Okay, product law. What is product law? When the base is same?
We
So when this multiplication we add it.
Yes. And what do you mean by exponents? What is exponents?
Powers or degrees.
The
Yeah,
number of
power.
time the basis.
Correct. The number of times we multiply the base. So exponents, we also call it as power. Exponents degree. Okay, it is the number of times a number is multiplied. For example, 5 to the power of 2. What's the value of this?
25.
So
20.
25.
So 5 square is 25. 5 into 5. This chapter we had it in square and square roots. That is 25. Okay, the first power law. When base is same, what do we do for power law? Add the degrees.
So we add the powers.
Yes. Product is multiplication. Product is multiplication. Add powers. First law, write it in short. Product law. Next, what's the second law?
So quotient loss.
Yes. Where do you get the word quotient?
So in division, so.
In division. Yeah, simple. So for division, when the base is same, for division, we subtract the powers. Okay, give me an example for product law. Any example?
The 3 to the power of 3 square into 5 cube.
The base is not same.
3 square into 3 cubes.
3 square into 3 cube. Okay, there has to be only multiplication and division, students. Only for multiplication and division, we use product and quotient law. For addition and subtraction, is there any law for addition and subtraction?
So
Do we have
no,
any law? No, remember this. 3 square plus 3 cube. Can we apply product or quotient law here?
so no, so we can't.
No, because plus is given. For plus, you can't apply. Okay, find the answer for the first one. 3 square plus 4 cube. The base is same. Take 3. 2 plus 3 is. Mute the call. Akansha.
Not me.
Okay, 3. 2 plus 3 is
So 5, so.
5. When the base is same. Okay, let me write 3 cube and 2 square. This calculation you can do it later. For now, just leave it as it is.
243, so.
Okay, 243. Next, for quotient law, 3 cube divided by 3 square. Calculate this.
So 3.
3. 3 to the power of 3 minus 2, right?
So yes.
3 minus 1, so it's 3.
Yeah, 3 to the power of 3 minus 2, that is 1. The answer is 3 to the power of 1 is 3. How many times 3 is present here?
So 1, so.
So the value is 1. Don't write it as 0. It is 1. 3. So how do you calculate this 3 cube? This is using formula. Okay, so how do you write this 3 cube? How many times 3 is present here? How many times we multiply 3? 3 times. 3 times divided by how many times 2?
So 3 2 times, so.
Yeah, 3. I mean 3 to twice. Then it gets cancelled. What is left?
So 3 is left, so.
3 is left. That's the answer. This is elaborated method. You can't do each and every question like this. If you have questions like 3 to the power of 50 minus 3 to the power of 47, it takes lot of time to write in this way, right? Writing it multiplying 50 times, dividing by 47 times. That time, sorry, division. At that time we use product law and quotient law. Okay, product law and quotient law is done. What if plus and minus is given? Is it possible to use any law for plus and minus?
No, sir.
Okay, at least find the answer for plus and minus.
27 minus 9.
Yes, 27 plus 9, and this side
27 minus.
minus 9. So there's no, yeah, we don't have any law for that manual calculation, like use addition, subtraction.
36.
36 and 18, sir.
18. 3 square is 27 minus 3 cube is, sorry, 3 square is 9. 37 and 18. So look at the
36,
difference. 36. Did you all understand all this concept all of all four? Addition, subtraction,
Yes.
multiplication, and division. Yeah, look at the values. 3 to the power of 5. What's the answer? And how do you solve 3 to the power of 5? How many times 3 is multiplied?
5 times.
3 times.
Okay, group into two values. What is 9 nines are?
81 into 3.
81 into
81. You try to multiply everything, it will be difficult. 81 into 3 is 243.
243.
243. So look at the values. Which one has highest value? Multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction?
Multiplication.
So for multiplication, we always get highest value, 243. For division, it is 3. Why division 3? What's the reason?
Subtract the powers and it gets
Powers. When the powers gets reduced, the value also gets reduced, 3. And here we don't apply any law. So it is just addition and subtraction, 36 and 18. Okay, so this was about product law, quotient law, then addition and subtraction. Next, what's the third law?
power loss.
Double loss.
double loss, sir.
Okay, power law is also important. Power law basically multiply. Just write the word multiply. Give me an example. And not only numbers, even alphabets. A to the power of 5 multiplied by a to the power of 3. What's the answer?
Sir, A square, sir.
Yeah, base is same. No, base is same. It's not a square.
A to the power of
8
8.
to the power of 7, sir.
8.
So 8,
5
sir.
plus
No, I thought
8.
it's division, sir.
No, a to the power of 8. Okay, a5 divided by a3, what do you get?
So
When base
A
is same,
Power of 2. A square.
yes.
is the power of
When base is same, yes. So write it step by step. A, base is same, 5 minus 3, a square. Okay, that is a square. And a to the power of 5 plus a to the power of 3. How many times 5 is present here? 5 is multiplied.
present 5 times and 3 is present 3 times.
Okay, is the base same here? Are the base same?
Yes, sir.
For addition and subtraction, no, I mean not base. For addition and subtraction, you will remember which chapter is that? Algebraic expression. The degree also, like terms, the degree also should be same and the base also should be same. Here, are the degree and base same for both?
So no, sir. The
No.
base is same,
So you
but the
can't,
degree is not
yeah,
same.
you can't add or subtract. We write the numbers as it is. Don't write a to the power of 8. For addition and subtraction, make sure the degree and the base should be same. Value should be same. Okay. What if a to the power of 5 is given here? Now what's the answer? Both have same. 1 plus 1 is 2.
So
2a to the power of 5. Okay, 2a to the power of 5. Fine, forget about this. These two are important, multiplication, division. Next, power law. For power law, we always use bracket. A to the power of 2 into 3. What's the answer for this?
A to the power of 6.
to the power of 6.
64.
No. 3 twos are 6. Just multiply, Mariana. You told 6 or 64?
Either 6. Sir,
6.
2 to the power of 6. 6.
Correct. A to the power of 2 3s are 6, right? A to the power of 6.
I thought
It's
it's
not
2.
normal multiplication. Normal multiplication. Don't make it as cube. 2 cube is 8. Don't write it as a to the power of 8. Okay. So for whenever bracket is given, we just do normal multiplication. The answer is a to the power of 8. This is multiplication law. Okay. After this, do you all remember any other thing? In power law, we have three types, right?
The negative integer.
Correct. Okay. Product law, quotient law is done. In power law, we have three types. What are the three types?
So negative and
Positive and
First, no. First one is integer. That is, it can be
integer.
negative, positive, or negative. Next,
yes, so 0 and
Fraction,
fraction.
fraction and
Fraction, right?
so
Negative
natural
fraction.
number.
decimal. So 0.
No, zero.
Natural
No,
number.
one more thing. Fraction is numerator by denominator. If you have fraction, if you have
So
negative,
decimal.
did we have decimal types of this one? Wait, let me check.
No.
So natural number, sir.
On a negative, a to the power of bn fraction. Yeah, one is natural numbers like this, natural. The other one is negative, negative, negative powers. The third one is fraction, only three types.
Yes, sir.
So integer.
The integer will have both, Mariana, positive, negative, and zero. Natural numbers are only positive numbers. Okay, give me an example for natural number.
So
Any example for natural?
6. Sir.
6 or 7.
No, like this. A to the power of 2 into 3, like this.
3, yes.
Yeah, in numbers, give me an example in numbers. 2 to the power of?
2 to the power of 2 bracket 6, sir.
No, 6. Yeah, okay. 6 will be more. I'll take test 3. What's the answer?
2 to the power of 6.
Power of 6, sir.
Yeah. And what do you get? Split into two values. Even without writing, you can calculate. 2 2s
Sir,
are
is
4,
it
right?
64?
Correct. 64. So you get 4 3 times, that is 64. Next, negative 2 to the power of minus 2 by 3. What do you get for this?
1 by 64.
Correct. 1 by 64. 2 as it is. For this, what do you get? Minus into plus is?
Minus
Minus
6.
6. So whenever the power is negative, what do you do? For power
Reciprocate.
negative, reciprocate. When you reciprocate, you get 1 by 2 to the power of 6. That is 1 by 64. Okay, 1 by 64. And power law, I forgot one more thing. When you have numerator by denominator, that is fraction type. 2 to the power of 3, the whole cube. What's the answer for this? How do you split? Fraction.
2 into 2 into
So 2 into 2 into 2
Final
into
answer.
2 into 6.
2 cube is
8 by 27.
By 27.
correct. 8 by 27. This is fraction form. 2 cube. When you open the bracket, the power has to get distributed equally to the numerator as well as denominator. 2 cube divided by 3 cube. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27.
27.
8 by 27. What if you get 27 by 8? What are you supposed to do like this? Convert into
Divide.
mixed fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. Numerator is greater. If the question is like this, right? We convert into mixed fraction. Okay, this was about fraction. In fraction, you'll have negative. In fraction, if negative power, 2 to the power of 3 whole minus 2. So first, what is the power here? What's the power?
-2.
Positive or negative?
Negative, sir.
Negative.
Negative. So if it is negative, you have to reciprocate the base.
Yes.
So here 2 by 3
9 by
becomes correct.
9/4.
Yeah. Whenever
9 by
minus is given, yes. When minus is
So is
given,
it
you have to eliminate. Eliminate minus, make it positive. For that, you have to reciprocate the base. Reciprocate. Just take down all this product law, quotient law, power law. In power law, there are three types: natural, negative, fraction. Give your own example. You can use alphabets or numbers. That's it. If this is done, we can start solving all the questions. And one concept is left. No, the two laws, two rules left. What's the answer for this? 3 square by 2 square. That is 9 by 4.
9 by
9 by
4.
4 convert into mixed fraction. Okay, product law, quotient law, power law. In power law, we have three. So all this you're writing it in the formula page, right?
Sir.
I told you to leave, yeah, one page for formula. Yeah, in that separate sheet, you'll write all this. So that while revising, it will become easy for you. You can revise formulas, then solve the question. And give your own example for all the three subheadings: natural, negative, and fraction. Akansha, send even 2B, Akansha. Send a pic of 2B as well.
okay, sir? So sent, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, your screen is stuck, so can I rejoin?
Rejoin the issue.
Yes, sir.
Sir, will you give break, sir?
Yes, Adi. Another two topics, I'll give break after 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Done? I will copy it.
So one second.
Yes, sir.
Write it on your own, Akansha. Write all this on your own so that you'll remember what are the rules we have, formulas, product law, quotient law, and for addition and subtraction, there's no law. Okay, then we have power law. In power law, there are three types: natural numbers, that is positive, negative, and fraction. Shall I erase this? Shall I erase the question?
Yes, sir.
Then fraction, three types. Okay. Now this was split into three types of powers. Now next, when the base, same for power law, when base is positive and negative, a to the power of minus 2. Sorry, minus a to the power of 2. What is base here? Which one is base and which one is exponent?
So minus A is the base and
Yeah,
2 is the
this
exponent.
correct. This is base. Whatever you write here, this is base and this is exponent, degree or powers. Okay, what is base? Positive or negative? Is it positive or negative?
It's negative, so
Negative. What's the answer? How do you multiply? How many times minus has to get multiplied?
2 times so.
Yeah, minus also minus you have to write twice. A should get multiplied twice. So what's the answer? Minus into minus
Plus A.
Plus A
plus a
square.
square. Plus a square is the answer. Minus a has to be multiplied twice. So minus into minus is plus. A into a is a square. Minus a square is the answer. Sorry, plus a square. What about cube? If I write cube minus a cube, what's the answer?
So minus A cube, so.
Yeah, minus. How many times minus gets multiplied?
So 3 times so.
3 times. So minus 3 times minus a into minus a into minus a. So minus 3 times. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus is minus a cube. Okay, can you see here what is 2? Odd or even? What is 2?
So it's an even.
So
Even
even
number.
numbers,
So
sir.
for even number, what's the answer we get? Positive or negative? Positive answer. For even degree or even powers, you get positive answer. What about 3?
So it's odd.
Negative.
And for odd, you get odd powers, you get negative values. Okay, in MCQ, definitely you'll get MCQ for 10 marks. For midterm, what if they give question like this, minus 1 to the power of 29? What's the answer?
-1.
Correct, minus 1. Look, minus how many ever times you multiply 1, what do you get? How many times? 1, right? Even you multiply 100 times, you get 1. So 1 remains as it is. For minus, how do you check? With the base is even or odd? Lemula, mute the call, Lemula. What is 29 students? Is it even or odd?
Odds. What's odds?
No. For odd number, what do you get?
So you get
Negative.
Negative. So the answer is minus 1. Okay, such question, if they give it for MCQ, don't waste your time multiplying 1. They might give it like this or they might give 101. It's not possible to multiply 101 times. What is this? Odd or even? What is 101? Odd number. Always check the last one. Always check the last digit. 1 is odd. So minus remains as it is. Minus 1 is the answer. Done? Are you all clear with this positive and negative base?
Yes.
And the base positive and negative. Look, one more question. Minus a to the power of minus 1. Minus and minus is given. Minus into minus plus. Is it correct?
No, sir. So 1 is
Yeah.
odd.
So don't do it like this. First, always we give preference to powers. Check the power. Is it positive or negative?
Negatives.
Negative. If power is negative, what we do?
Answer is negative.
so 1 by
Reciprocate. Just now I taught you all. When the power is negative, what do we do? Reciprocate.
Reciprocate, sir.
So what does this become? 1 by
1 by 8 to the power minus
minus
8
a
to
to
the
the power
power
of 1.
1.
Remember this. 1 by minus a to the power of 1. Multiply, you get 1 by minus a. This minus you can shift it to the numerator. The answer is minus 1 by
Plus
a.
1. 8.
Okay. So make a note of this. First, power law students. Apply power law. Check whether the power is positive, negative or even. Sorry, positive or negative. Try this question, minus a to the power of minus 3. Let me see how many of you can do this.
So you told us to solve this, sir.
Yes, Adya. Try this. First, take down this.
Minus 1 by a cube.
Okay, minus 1 by a cube.
1
Anything?
by a cube.
1 by
Okay,
a
1
cube,
by
sir.
cube. Okay, 1 by a cube minus 1 by a cube. Anything else?
Sir, again it
Joanna,
is
Adya?
minus, ma'am,
Sir, minus 1
sir,
by a
minus
cube.
1 by a cube, sir.
Okay, minus 1 by a cube.
Sir, minus 1 by a cube. I'll change my answer.
Okay, Diyashri, Dhriti. Who else? Mariana.
Sir, what 1 by
Sir,
a cube?
I told no, sir.
Yeah, you told Mariam. Is Mariam online?
Yes, sir. So I told the answer, sir.
Yeah, unmute the call. Unmute the call and answer. Okay, 1 by, if you have told 1 by a cube, you 1 by a minus 1 by a cube. Okay, first, don't look at the base. First, look at the powers. For minus power, what do? How do you eliminate minus?
So we reciprocate.
Reciprocate. Okay, so when you reciprocate, what it becomes? Minus a by whole cube, right?
So yes, sir.
Minus a by whole cube, like this. So look here, power remains as it is. Power, I've written as it is. The only thing is minus becomes positive. Minus a becomes 1 by minus a. Next, use power law to bring this inside, to multiply 1 cube divided by minus a cube. What is 1 cube?
So
1.
1 cube.
Yeah, now for this, apply the positive base and negative base. So the base is negative. And what is the power?
So the power is positive.
Odd. The power is odd, right?
That's all.
Minus a into minus a into minus a. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus is
Minus.
minus. So 1 by minus a cube. This 1 by minus a cube, minus gets shifted to the numerator. Minus 1 by a cube is the answer. Okay, so the first one is correct. Whoever told 1 by minus a cube is correct. But you're supposed to write it like this. Denominator should always be positive. Remember that. Denominator shouldn't be negative. If there is minus, shift it to the numerator. Understood? Shall we start solving the questions?
Yes, sir.
So yes, sir.
Sir,
6:10. I'll give you a 5 minutes break. 6:15. We'll continue at 6:15.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, Mariana.
Sir, will you conduct quiz, sir?
Quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll see if this week, if you'll finish, this Saturday I'll conduct. Only within this group.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay, we'll continue after break.
Sir, till what time you gave us break, sir?
Till 6:15, Adya.
Yes.
And break is over. We need another 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
So will you give us more 5 minutes, sir?
After the class, you all can take 5 or 10 minutes.
No, no, sir.
Okay.
It's okay.
Now shall we start?
So yes, sir.
After the class, you all can take break. What time is your science tuition? 7:10, right?
So 7, 10.
7:10.
Okay, fine. 7. All the students online, Joanna, Triti,
I'm
Akansha.
not sure, sir. We may have it at 7, 5 also.
Okay, fine.
It's
Diyashri,
at 7, sir. I don't know, sir. Because today we are having chemistry test, so sir will keep the class early.
fine, Tanishka. Then I'll leave it 6:45 or 6:50. Okay, Lemula, Adya, Mariam. Diyashri, can you all see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, open a page. Exercise 2A student will start solving. All the rules are done. And there's one more rule, one or two rules left. That is, anything to the power of 0 is what?
Zero.
So
One.
1 or 0. Anything to the power of 0.
so one, sir.
1.
So 0
Okay.
and then 1.
100 to the power of 0 is
1.
1.
1. Remember this. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, first question. Copy the first one. Dhriti will answer this. I want all of you all to solve. Dhriti should answer. Each one I'll ask one question. Who is it? Is it Tanishka? Akansha?
Akanksha, sir.
Yeah, get back soon, Akansha. Okay, try the first question.
Yes.
If you have done, let me know, and Dhriti will explain this. Each one question.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Answer. Done, sir. So which is the next question, sir?
Next, I'll tell you. Dhriti, explain this. Today, Mariana is super active. Mariana, you already revised this.
Sir, I like this chapter a little.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Dhriti, answer this, Dhriti. First,
Yes, sir.
what do you check?
So base, sir.
Okay, fine. Base is not same then.
So it's negative, so it's 1 by 3 into 1 by 9. So
Correct. 1 by 3 into 1
1
by
by
9. Divided by?
1 by 3 to the power of 3 square.
Okay, 3 square. How much is 3 square?
9, sir.
9. Is Akansha online?
Yes, sir. I
After
just
this?
came back, sir.
Fine. After
One
this?
second. So,
Bracket. First solve
then,
inside the bracket. No,
yes,
Dhriti.
sir.
Let Dhriti answer. Quickly,
Yes, sir.
Dhriti. After this?
So 1 by 27 divided by 1 by 9.
No, division becomes?
Multiplication, sir. 9 by
Correct.
1.
9 by 1. Did you all do the same method? Same steps? All of you all?
Same method.
Yeah.
Yes.
First solve what is given inside bracket. According to bond mass, then convert this. Reciprocate next.
So
9 ones
9,
are 9 threes are.
9 threes are, sir. It's
Correct.
1
1
by
by
3.
3 is the answer. Okay, second question for homework. Second one for homework. Try the third question. Try the third one,
So
and
who's
Mariana will
answering
answer.
the third one?
Mariana. Okay, Adya. Let Adya answer the third one.
So you said Mariana and then again
Okay,
why me,
Mariana.
sir?
So whoever is
It's
interested
okay,
will
Adya.
ask.
So Adya.
Okay,
Sir,
Mariana
no,
answer.
sir. Let Mariana answer, sir. She's so active, sir.
Okay. This chapter is easy for Mariana. Try this, students. I
Sir,
want
so
everyone.
Mariana is happy with this chapter, sir.
Yes, Mariana. What did you
Sir,
say?
so Mariana is happy with this chapter, sir. Exponents.
The exponent. She knows everything. Whoever has doubts can get clarified with Mariana.
I'll go to Mariana, sir, if I have any doubts.
Yeah, in class, you all can ask her. Get your doubts rectified, solved,
So done, sir.
clarified.
Sir, isn't it addition, sir, not division?
Is it plus? Check your textbook,
Yes.
students. What is given?
Sir, it's plus only, sir.
Sir, I took down the question wrong.
Okay, what did you get for this? Sorry, this was plus student. I thought it was division.
Plus.
Okay, explain this, Mariana.
So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3.
Correct. 1/2. What's the reason?
Negative powers.
1/2 plus 1/3. Then whole power.
Cube 3. Sir.
Next, after
So
this,
1. Can you hear me, sir?
yes,
1 by 8. 1
LCM,
by.
right?
Yes,
What's
sir.
the LCM?
LCM is 6.
6. How did you get 8? Multiply.
3 plus 2 by 6.
3 plus 2 is
5 by 6.
3 plus 2 by 6. So that is 5/6. What is left?
Cubes 125.
Correct. 5 cube by 6 cube is 125 by
216.
216. This cube, I made you all study all this. Cube root of 5 cube, 6 cube, 7. Okay, all of you did all get this answer 125 by 216.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
So
didn't
whatever is,
solve. Sir, 1 second.
you were the one who told, right? Okay, do it later, Mariana.
No, sir,
So,
I took down your question.
okay, first solve the bracket once inside the bracket.
This is the next question, sir.
Okay, next question. Fourth question is for homework. Try the fifth one. Second and fourth one for homework. And from today, everyone should submit homework questions.
Yes, sir.
So this entire video, I'm recording this for another 1 week or 10 days, only revision. I'll compile all the videos and I'll create a separate playlist on YouTube. Okay, I'll write the heading as revision. So you can just go through revision class. You can definitely score 50 plus out of 80 only with these chapters. Just go through all the recorded videos of revision
Sir, who's
playlist.
answering the next question, sir?
Okay, you answer, Adya. Fifth question. 125 by 216 is the answer. Two square plus 3 square. And others, don't wait for the answers. Even you all have to try.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this
Sir, is
exponent
it?
done, Adya. Okay, let everyone finish. You can explain later.
Can I do the next question?
Okay, if you have done with fifth, let me check sixth. Okay, sixth one. You all can for homework. Try the seventh. Whoever is done can try the seventh. Okay, explain this, Adya. Others done with the fifth one?
Sir,
Yes.
Yeah,
two
explain this.
twos is so two twos is 4, and then plus three threes is 9, sir. So 4 plus 9 into 1 to the power of 2 and 2 to the power of 2, which is nothing but 1/4, sir.
Okay, if you want, write it like this, or you can write direct answer 1/4. Next.
So then next, sir, you get it as 13, or sorry, sir, 13 into 1/4, sir.
1/4? Yeah, 2 square is 1/4. Okay, 13 into 1/4. Can you reduce anything?
No, sir.
No. So 13/4. Convert this into mixed fraction and you'll get the final
So
answer.
3 1/4, sir.
Good. 3 1/4. Did you all get 3 1/4? All of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 3 1/4. Next, try the seventh question and Lemula will answer that. No, seventh is for homework. Sorry, try the seventh one. All of you will try the seventh.
Sir, now or homework, sir?
Now, for homework, it's 2, 4, and 6 for homework. Try the seventh one. Revision class, I won't be solving everything, student. Only few questions because all this was done. Try the seventh one. 1 by 4. Is it minus 3? Yes, minus 3.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Okay, this
So can I
question I'll
drink?
ask. Want to leave?
No, sir. Can I drink water, sir?
That you can have the history. For that you ask permission. How far you have to travel to have water? Okay, Lemula and Mariam will answer. Combine.
I
I'll ask.
have the water. Please.
Fine, have it. Why is Akansha laughing?
So I'm not laughing, sir.
Okay. 1 by 4 minus 3. Yes. Even Mariam have to. Everyone should do it. Lemula and Mariam combine. They should answer this. Only let Lemula answer. It was easy question. Next, I'll ask Mariam. What's the answer, Lemula? How do you solve this? What are the powers?
Uh, they all are negative, sir, so we reciprocate. 4 bracket, small bracket, 4 cube
Okay, you can directly write 4 cube then
minus 3 cube divided by 6 cubes, sir.
6 cube. Okay, next.
So 4 cube is 64
Okay, 64.
minus 27. 3
64
cube is
minus
27. 64
20.
minus 27 divided by 216.
Okay, division you can write. Okay, fine. Divided by 2, 1,
6,
6.
sir. So
Okay,
64 minus 27.
yeah, 64 minus 27. Go on. 64 minus 27.
37. 37 divided by 216.
Okay, divided by, I'll write it like this. Divided by 216. Can
200.
you reduce?
So I didn't reduce.
No, you can't reduce it, right? It doesn't go in any table. 37 divided by 216. All of you got the answer? 2A. 37 divided by 216.
Yes, sir.
See, the question, it seemed to be difficult. But you use the law within 2 steps, you'll get this. To look, the question is like this. With all the brackets and minus division. 37. Okay, eighth question and ninth. We'll do all three. Eighth, try the eighth one. Let Mariam answer the eighth one.
Sir, she will not be attending class tomorrow also, sir. She's having severe fever.
Is it? Fine, let me. She didn't come to school, right?
So she didn't come to school.
Okay. Is Mariam online? 3, 4.
So you're recording this class, huh?
Yes, Mariana. Want me to upload or not?
So not upload. I for revision.
Okay. Today Mariam was absent. Was she there in online? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Done, sir.
Okay, Joanna, answer this.
Yes, sir. Sir, first you multiply the powers
Okay.
and you get Um, minus 3 by 4 to the power of minus 4. Yes, sir. So then you reciprocate
Why reciprocate? What's the reason?
because the degree is negative, sir.
Negative. The power is negative. So after reciprocating, what do you get?
So after reciprocating, you get 4 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4.
Minus remains as it is, right? Minus 4 by 3 to the power of 4.
So but 4 is even, so.
Okay, 4 is even, so you directly eliminate it. Minus.
So you
Correct.
get
Look, minus, correct, Joanna. 4 is even, students. 4 is even. So minus becomes positive. You get 4 to the power of 4 divided by S. After this,
so you get 256 by 81.
okay, 4 to the power of 4, group into two numbers and multiply. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 16. You'll remember this square and square roots. 16 square. How much is 16 into 16?
256.
256. Correct. Divided by,
81, sir.
yeah, later convert into mixed fraction. Okay, do it later. Next question. Ninth one is for homework. 10th question. Try the 10th one. Who else? Tanishka should answer this 10th question.
So the ninth question is for homework, sir.
Ninth one is for homework. I've written all the homework questions here. 2, 4, 6, 9.
So done, so.
Okay. Try the 10th one now. 10th question.
So yes, so
Done? Okay. And this Saturday I'll conduct test, students. I'll give you all 4 or 5 chapters. Exponents. Which shall I give? Rational numbers?
Sir.
Yeah, exponents,
Yes, sir.
rational numbers, square.
Square and
Yeah, even construction. Square, square roots. Then what else? Square, square roots, rational numbers, cube.
so cube.
Cube and
All easy chapters I'll finish it. Then percentage.
excuse me, sir.
Percentage. Yes.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
in construction, the first time I'm not getting it, sir. I left it
Okay,
in
now
the
I'll make you all do that. Now I'll make you all do it. After this, we'll try construction. And every week construction questions, even construction will be included. So how many chapters for this week? Rational numbers, exponents, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this Saturday, if not on Sunday, 6 chapters. If 6 chapters are done, only 3 are left. 3 or 4 chapters left.
So you're giving tests, sir?
Yeah, that's what I was explaining, right? These chapters, Mariana, rational numbers, exponents. How much ever we finish till this Saturday, how much ever this one chapters revision is done, those many chapters I'll give. Okay, 10th question. Explain this. Others done with the 10th one?
Yes, sir.
All of you will 10th. Okay, take down these questions for homework 2, 4, 6, 9. Alternate questions. Remaining I made you all solve. You can check the videos if you have any doubts. Yeah, Tanishka, explain this.
So yes, so the power is negative. So first we write 1 by 5 into 1 by 3, bracket divided by 1 by 6.
Okay, by
So
6.
and after that we solve the bracket 1 by 15 divided by 1 by 6, which is 1 by which is 1 by 15 into 6.
Reciprocate, right?
So yes,
That
so and then 3 2s and 3 5s, so we cancel. We get 2 by 5. So
2 by 5 is the final answer. Good. This is how you're supposed to solve each and every step. 2 by 5 is the answer. Did you all get 2 by 5? All of you all? 2 by 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
3 2s are 3 5s are. Okay, another 5 or 10 minutes will end. Do you have construction box with you? I mean, geometry box.
Sir, I have any compass.
Okay, only compass every day. Yeah, make sure you'll have compass protractor with your students. Open page 211. Every day, one question.
So can I go and get my compass?
Yeah, get it quickly
So can
within
I go
5 minutes.
get my compass, sir?
Yes, all of you will get compass protractor.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my compass is missing. I don't have.
Okay, do it later, Diyashri. Buy one. Do it later.
Yes, sir, I'll do it.
Dhriti, done? Did you do all the questions?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So I don't have my phone to sit in, sir.
You don't have who took your compass?
So no, sir. My friend took it, so my neighbor gives to
Tanishka?
my neighbor, so my friend.
Neighbor? Okay, do it later, Akansha. Fine. You and Diyashri get one new compass. Do it later. And from tomorrow, I won't. No, there's no excuse. Everyone should have compass and protractor. Fine. Whoever doesn't get
Sir,
Excuse
should leave.
no.
sir,
Yeah, whoever doesn't get should leave the class. Yes. Shall I erase this?
So yes, sir.
Okay. First question. Try the first question.
So which
That's why
means
I'm not getting, sir.
Construction. Yeah, that's the reason I'm giving that question, Lamula. Okay. Construct what? Page number 211. Open
so
page.
quadrilateral, so.
Yeah, and this is homework questions, students. Take down the homework questions. 4 questions.
So yes, sir.
And from tomorrow, whoever doesn't submit, we have hardly 20 days. 16 plus 4. Yeah, 16, 20 days left. Whoever doesn't submit homework have to send a message to your parents. All these days, I didn't worry about this. Nobody sent, only 1 or 2 students. Only Tanishka used to send. But from tomorrow, everyone should send. From today, 2469. Shall I erase this? Did you all mark the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try the first main, page 211, one construction question. I mean, first one. Construct what? Construct
So
quadrilateral.
quadrilateral ABC. So.
Okay, A, B, C, D. What is AB? How much is AB? 4.3.
So
BC?
4.3, so 5.4.
Do it along with me, students. Yeah, each and every step you'll have to do. CD is 5.
5
What about
centimeter.
B? 4.8.
4.8.
Yes. And I think I didn't ask Dhriti any question, right? Dhriti and Akansha
So, so you asked, sir. First question.
asked. Okay. Whomever I didn't ask, I'll ask this construction. I think Akansha didn't answer, right? Oh, fine. First, construct what?
7 sir.
75 degree. And 75 degree should be on which point?
Uh, Point B.
The middle term. I've told you all right. So always the middle one. On which vertex?
B, sir.
Which vertex, Akansha? B. So construct what? Quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has how many sides?
4 sides.
4 sides. So first draw rough diagram like this. 4. What are the alphabets? What are the vertices?
A, B, C, D, sir.
Okay, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, and D. Where do you draw 75 degrees? On which vertex?
And A, sir.
Which is in between?
Sorry, on B, sir.
B. B is 75. Okay, you are supposed to draw on B, students. First, always go with angle 75. If you had to draw on B, the base should consist of what? Which alphabet? B,
Sir,
right?
B, sir.
The base should consist of B. So which one will you take? B, this one as B, and this one as B. Out of these two, which one will you all take?
Sir,
So
B,
B.
sir.
BC. Why BC?
So no, sir. AB, sir.
Greater.
No, no, no. Whichever is greater. Which is greater, BC or AB?
5.44, sir.
Okay, BC. Look here. I'll redraw the rough diagram. BC. Here you get 75. A here. A, B, C, D. Okay, take BC. First draw BC students. 5.4. If you compare AB and BC, BC is greater. BC 5.4. Along with homework, you'll have to even send construction, whatever you have done. Okay, look at the rough diagram. What is the first step we draw? We draw. What's the first step?
5.5 centimeters, sir.
Yes. So in
5.4.
exam, if ma'am asks, tell you all to write steps. First step, draw base. What? Draw base. BC is equals to
5.4.
5.4 centimeters. Draw 5.4. Okay, after this, what angle is given here? 75. So an angle B, draw 75 degrees. 75 lies in between which two? All of you all should answer. In between which two students? 90 and?
So 90 and
60 and 90, sir.
60 and
Yes. So
90.
60 degrees, then 90-degree bisect. So for 75 degrees, when you write steps, you have to use the word bisect. Bisect angle 75 degrees on vertex B. Then draw base BC is equals to 5.4. Okay, construct 75 degrees. How do you construct 75 students? First we draw
So
60 degrees.
60 and 90 degrees. So,
First 60, then you get 90, and wherever you get 90, draw dotted lines. Draw dotted.
so done, sir.
Okay, for bisecting, use this point. Look at the red point, which where I these 2 points. Okay, double tap your screen to zoom in. Bisect using this. And if it's 5.2, look to take 2.5 in your compass. Keep it as 2.5 fixed. Okay, let the base be any value, 5, 6, 7, 8, anything. You'll take 2.5. And in that, bisect this. From this point to this point, you get 75 degrees. Did you all get 75 here? 75 degrees point?
Yes, sir. So,
Here?
but I took 2 centimeters and I already did it. So,
Fine. That is fine. 2, 2.5. The thing is, this one you'll get very smaller one, right? Small arc. Arc will be small.
so yes, sir.
Okay, draw 75 degrees. Now, what's the length for A and B? What's the length for A and B?
So 4.3, sir.
4.3. All of you are doing right? Other students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got a point. We have to connect B and look at the rough diagram. A and B. You have to connect A and B. So A and B value is given 4.3 in scale. Measure 4.3 like this. Draw a line. As soon as you draw, write AB. Okay, angle is done. This is done. Next, from A to D. What's the value from A to D?
4.8
What's the value?
centimeters.
4.8. Take 4.8, keep on A, cut an arc like this. So we started from base. After that, we moved on to B, angle B. Then from there, we connected angle A. From A to D and back to C. From D to C. Lemula, now did you get this?
Sir.
Okay, after A to D, from A to D, take 4.8 and cut an arc. Then how do you join C and D? Is any value given for C and D?
So no, sir. So,
Why no?
yes, sir. So it's given, sir.
5 centimeters. Without that, it's not possible. How can you connect? So from A to D, draw a line. Then from C to D, 5 centimeters. Take 5 centimeters, place your compass on C, cut an arc like this. You get a point. Join all four, you'll get a quadrilateral. From this end to this, and this to this. Name it A, B, C, D. And write all the values. What is CD? 5 centimeters, 5.4. Write the angle here, 75 degrees. AD is equals to, what is AD given? AD or DA, both are same, 4.8. And what is AB? 4.3. That's it. Okay, so in construction, first main there are 6 questions. Second main there are 4. Third main 4. Fourth main 4. And fifth main 2. Okay, we'll try solving all the questions every day one. So there are around 20 questions. Done with this, did you all get quadrilateral? Is it same? Unmute the call, students.
Sir, how to check if it's correct?
Get it, sir.
Check what, Mariana?
If it's correct.
Yeah, use your protractor, keep it on this point. Use protractor, check whether you're getting 75 degrees perfect line.
Yes.
Yeah, then take your using scale, measure all 4 sides, check whether you're getting 4.85, 4.3. Use protractor and scale to measure the values. You should get 75 degrees. Okay, it can be 73, 72.
The 75. I got
Yeah, 75, when that is also fine. 72, 73 is also fine. But make sure you'll write 75 as it is, 75 degree. Then use scale and measure all the values. Are you all getting 5.4, 4.8?
Sir, little changes are there, sir.
Okay, next time do it properly, Mariano. Make sure your pencil
Sir,
sharp.
4.3, 4.0.
Okay, if the pencil is blunt, you won't get the proper diagram. If it's sharp, you'll get it. And how did we start this, students? First, which one did we draw? Base, right? So always angle is important. Check angle. On which vertex the angle should fall. A, B, C on B, 75 degrees. According to that, choose the base. Okay, you randomly you take A, B, B, C, C, D. If you take C, D, is it possible to construct angle on C, D? Is it possible to construct angle on C, D? No, because B value is 75. So choose the base according to angle given. That's it. Okay, that's it for today. And these questions for homework. Here, I'll end the recording.